Just as we know it, Friday Night Funkin' is really getting a lot of hype lately. And the best part is, this game is now available on mobile devices too. Hey guys, you're watching Tech Tubers, and in this video, we're gonna be watching how to download Friday Night Funkin' game on both Android and iOS devices. Starting with the Android first, we're gonna go to our web browser and search for Friday Night Funkin' for mobile. Now we're gonna tap on the first link that we're gonna see right here. As we see, the download option is here in the green box. So let's go ahead and tap on it. We're gonna have to click the download button again. Now when prompted, press OK. So the download is now in progress. Let's just wait for it to get done. Once the APK file is downloaded, you're going to be asked if you want to install the application. So tap on the option that says install. Well, let's just wait for a bit more for the installation to get done. And there we go. Once the installation is complete, the game starts automatically. The game looks exactly like the computer version. Why don't we just go ahead and check out the gameplay over here. So this is how we download, install and run Friday Night Funkin' on Android devices. Now let's just check out how to download the game on an iOS device. First we're gonna open the settings menu, then we're gonna scroll down a bit and go to general settings. Scroll down again and tap on background app refresh. Now in order to download Friday Night Funkin' from an external source, go ahead and disable the feature from here. Now once we're done with that, we're gonna open our web browser and type unlockdownload.com/fnf in the search menu. After we enter the website, before we can download the game app, we're gonna have to unlock it first. And to do that, we're gonna have to complete 2 free tasks from this page. The tasks may vary depending on the devices and the location. Now in our case, we're gonna have to download any 2 free apps from here and run it for just 30 seconds. Now let's pick Solitaire first. Remember, we just have to run it for 30 seconds. Since the app can measure activity, we're gonna make sure we are playing it, so just tap randomly on the screen for 30 seconds. Later we can just uninstall this app as we need it only to unlock the download of Friday Night Funkin'. Now, after done playing this game for 30 seconds, let's just go to our second app. Now we're gonna pick this zombie game for the second one. As we notice, this process is a bit time consuming, but it's still free. All we need to do here is play the free games for 30 seconds. Once again, remember to tap on the screen for 30 seconds. Just play the game and later you can just uninstall it. Seems like we're done with 30 seconds here. Now let's just close this app and go to our home screen. As you can notice, the game got installed right away. The game works just fine and we're ready to play it already. So this was all about downloading the game Friday Night Funkin on both Android and iOS devices. If you found this video helpful, do give it a like. And if you have any questions, feel free to write us down in the comment section below. And for more videos like this, go hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.